Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're going to share with you 5 accessible beaches in Cornwall that we think you should visit. This is the first in this series, so please be sure to like and subscribe to be notified of future content. The rest of the series is linked in the description box, as well as individual vlogs of each location if you want to see more. All the postcodes, parking, accessibility and other information will also be in the description box. Let's get to it. First up, Gyllyngvase Beach in Falmouth. It's Falmouth's largest beach and most popular beach. It is laid mostly to golden sand and is fairly flat, with some rock pools to either end. There are beautiful views of the south coast and Pendennis Castle. There's also a lovely green area by the beach, a path with bench seating, cafes and restaurants at the beach edge, and it's only a short walk away from town. From the beach there is also a walkway to Swanpool Beach, which takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Gyllyngvase, we believe, is one of the most accessible beaches in Cornwall for those with disabilities. Not only the easy access to the beach and facilities that we've already mentioned, but they also have very clean and looked after disabled toilets right next to the beach, paved walkways around the beach, and a slowly sloping main entrance to the main beach itself. There are also sand chairs available to hire from Gyllyngvase Cafe in advance of your trip, which will give you access to both the sand and the water for those who need. Another beach we would recommend if you are in North Cornwall area and need accessibility is Summerleaze Beach in Bude. Just a short walk away from the main town, this beach has amazing facilities for all. At Summerleaze there is an abundance of parking and a level walk from the car park. There are disabled toilets that are well looked after and include an electric hoist for toileting and changing, and again there is a sand chair that can be hired from Summerleaze Beach Office. Up next, if you are down west, why not try out Marazion Beach? Marazion Beach is on the outskirts of the small village of Marazion, just up from Penzance. Although there are not as many main facilities for eating and drinking, there is a large green, easy parking, a children's park and easy access to the beach. Marazion is a long sandy beach with stunning views over St Michael's Mount. As with the previous beaches mentioned, there are sand chairs available to hire and a concrete slope path for easy access down onto the main beach. This beach can get quite busy in the summer season, but otherwise is fairly quiet. The beach is about a mile long and connects up with neighbouring Long Rock Beach. You can walk over to St Michael's Mount along the causeway, however this is cobbled stone, so uneven underfoot. Another accessible beach that we would recommend you visit is Fistral Beach in Newquay. Fistral is one of Newquay's most popular beaches, and when you've seen it you'll see why. It's a large expansive golden sand beach with breathtaking views and world-class waves. The beach is sheltered by rugged headlands and rolling sand dunes and overlooked by the famous Headland Hotel where the Roald Dahl classic The Witches was filmed. On the north end of the beach is a decent amount of parking, dining, restaurants and other smaller eateries. Fistral is a disability friendly beach with accessible amenities. It has plenty of disabled parking, disabled toilets and a sand chair to hire from the Fistral Surf Hire shop. Lastly, a beach we would highly recommend if you are down west is checking out Porthminster Beach. Just a stone's throw from St Ives town and harbour, this is an amazing place to visit. Parking in St Ives is renowned for being difficult, however it is within easy walking distance of the town and just a stone's throw from the train station, along with all the facilities and transport that this offers. Porthminster has been awarded the Seaside Award this year for commitment to environment, water quality and safety, and therefore is very popular with young families. Porthminster is mainly laid to soft golden sand and is a large beach, with the harbour to one side and towering cliffs to the other. It remains fairly sheltered. When the tide is low, the beach wraps around and joins with the harbour beach. Porthminster Beach has easy level disabled access onto the beach, and again there is a sand chair that you can hire from Porthminster Beach Cafe. I will recommend if you have a holiday booked and want to hire a sand chair, you do this with as much notice as possible. As you can imagine, these facilities are limited and are given out on a first come first served basis. Let us know if you have visited any of these accessible beaches. We will have another video up soon with more recommendations of places to visit in Cornwall. Until then, please do like and subscribe as it helps to get our little channel seen. We appreciate all your support and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.